Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. Recently, we have many customers ask us about the 3 different grades of cells. They are grade A+, grade A, and grade B. And how to define these 3 cells grades. Understanding quality grades is not just a technicality. It's the key to unlocking optimal performance and value, as it has a great impact on the price. So it's needed to have a video to clarify the different grades of cell for all of our customers. Today we are here to shine a light on the often murky waters of battery cell quality grading in the market. The market is rife with confusion, with so many products labeled as grade A. It's becoming increasingly difficult to separate the genuine from counterfeit. Suppliers are reprinting QR codes, falsifying test reports, and misleading customers into purchasing subpar products. But don't worry, we are here to set the record straight. Now let's start with our level 1, grade A+. These cells are the cream of the crop, produced within a single batch in under 3 months, and reaching the customer in a total 6 months or less, subject to difference upon receipt due to logistics and overseas warehouse inventory. It has more stable and high quality performance and can be adapted to scenarios with high requirements for cell performance. They are the market equivalent of what others often dub as grade A+ or grade A++. With grade A cells, you are getting the freshest, most reliable products available. Next is the test data of the latest EVE314 cells. We can see that the capacity difference of this batch of cells is only 2.9562 ampere hours, and their production date is within 6 months. Gobel defines this batch of cells as cells of the same batch and the consistent capacity. The level 2 is grade A cells. These cells are produced within 6 to 24 months, often from mixed batch. While they may not be as fresh as grade A+, it's relatively high quality level among the same type and still can meet the high quality standards. However, be cautious in the market, as many suppliers sell similar age cells simply as grade A+ without disclosing the age variation. Then is the grade B. A telltale sign of these cells is scratched or removed QR codes. And here is a concerning fact. Some unscrupulous suppliers reprint QR codes and pass them off as grade A. It's a deceptive practice that you need to watch out for. Finally, let's also mention the teardown battery cells. These cells are removed from models and often over a year. These cells commonly suffer from capacity degradation. Shockingly, they are frequently marked as grade A as well. It's clear that the market is in dire need of clarity and honesty. But what sets us apart, our commitment to transparency is unwavering. We do not engage in great misrepresentation. To further safeguard your interest, we offer QR code-free verification tool, the LivePO for QR decoder. We also put this decoder on below of this video. This tool allows you to quickly and easily verify the authenticity of our products, and our check record speaks for itself. Our reliability has been verified and tested by Gobel customers. When it comes to battery cell quality, knowledge is power. With our clear grading system and unwavering commitment to integrity, you can make an informed choice and trust you are getting the quality you deserve. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Also, let's discuss in the comment area and share your opinions about the sales quality in the market now.